We own quite a lot of monkey bikes and we do adventures all over the world in them. We wanted to build the ultimate off-road adventuring monkey bike. When you buy a Venturo, you can't just have it. We're not going to send it to you or give it to you. You have to earn it. We're on the very northern tip of the Isle of Jura in Scotland, one of the most remote parts of the UK. It is an incredibly inconvenient place to pick up your motorbike when you've just bought it. We're going to meet the Venturo Owners. I can see the boat in the distance.
We're in the right place.
Just about, yeah.
Howdy.
There we go.
A Venturo is an adventure bike like no other. Literally, adventure is in its pure spirit. So actually having to go out and find it is all part of the fun. To actually finally see it in the flesh, get my hands on it, what can I say, I'm very excited. Now to get it out of the tree.
Running like a dream. To take it out on the road and see what this thing can do.
You can have the most fun imaginable actually on these little fellas. Extended sort of rack on the back, so you could quite happily fit a tank bag, tent, sleeping bag, or even a sort of sideways mounted rucksack, I think would do it.
Didn't skip a beat, it was absolutely amazing.
Getting used to that sort of racing gearbox. She can certainly fly.
Super smooth, fast, stable, great little bikes. Just a laugh a minute.
Yeah, brilliant. Just put a smile on my face the whole day.
That was epic. I mean, they did well off-road this morning, but once you got onto a nice piece of tarmac, they just sailed. They were great.
The fact that we didn't just go to a showroom to pick up the Venturo, the fact that we've come to the island of Jura off the west coast of Scotland really makes a difference. You're not only gaining a fantastic motorcycle, you're also gaining a fantastic new group of friends, and I'm sure we're going to be riding together in the future.
We're not going to stop here. We're going to do the Mark II, then we're going to do the electric.